So yeah, I was showing you, and I said, I was showing you a gift set, and I really wanted to get that, but it was only being sold. At first, it was I saw it like on a Russian person's um, Instagram because the lettering looked Russian, but then I started seeing more and more, and it was in Australia. Because I looked into it, and it was in like different like countries that I wasn't familiar with the monetary. I don't know. I never seen it before, and I don't know what exchange rate it was. I don't know what country it was, but then I found it on an Australian website. I wish it was in Glam Raiders because I wanted that pink bag so bad, but I was not about to buy stuff I already had. Again, just to get a pink bag. This bag is not all that, but the thing I do like, it looks like it's good quality. This is what comes inside. I wanted that eyeshadow palette so bad, not for the glitter side, but for the shadow side, because I know I have these colors already in glitter palettes, and it came with the palette, it came with the mascara, and it came with like a marker eyeliner. Um, I didn't want black. I really wish I could have got the pink, but I mean, black is sleek. It's a color, one of my favorite colors, but it comes with the logo Wet and Wild. The Glam Rated ones are so pretty. And so, yeah, I found it on a website. I think it's called discountbeauty.com from Australia. And I think it's relatively new. It's a one woman company. I guess she's just starting out. And so, yeah, this was only sold abroad. I was pissed off about that. It's like, don't mess me up White and Wild by doing stuff I can't get. But I was able to get it, and I really like this. This is a stunning plum color. I've never ever seen that color. I mean, maybe it is in their palettes, but I don't remember ever seeing that color. Of course, this color's like every other palette they make. Is that black with the silver sparkles. I'm pretty sure well, that's a white. No, it's actually a beige. I'm pretty sure we've seen these colors, but that I've never seen. It's a beautiful plum color. And I'm like, ugh, why? It's like, what the heck? But I was like, I'm not going to go crazy over this palette. If I can't get it, I can't get it. Maybe eventually it'll show up on eBay. I was checking it out on eBay. Maybe, eventually they'll bring it here, maybe, because they did that with one of their palettes, which is very hard to find. That trio. I can't even remember the name now, but I had to get that one from England because they didn't. I couldn't find it. I forgot Twilight. I think it was called the Twilight Trio or something like that. So first, I haven't opened it yet, and I can't seem to get it right now. But anyway, their exchange rate from Australia. I bought from them before when I was looking for Cryolan. I found some stuff in Australia, and of course the peach from the BYS. I got from Australia the peach collection, and I got this. I trust like ordering from Australia, and you do it through PayPal. So if you don't get the product, you get your money back. So yeah, unfortunately you can't do a PayPal credit. They don't, for some reason they won't do it. You have to do it. But anyway, this is $40 well, it would be cheaper, but because you're paying so much more overseas. If you live in Australia, it would cost you something. It would cost you under 30 Australian dollars. But you had two choices. You had like $15 to ship or $20 Australian dollars to ship, but the 20 came with insurance and tracking, whereas the 15 wouldn't guarantee it. And I said I'm not messing around. So it was altogether it was $40 Australian, which made it I think a little bit under 30. which is what some of their gift sets were here anyway. You know, you get that, you get the bag, you get the, you know, you get, I never bought that mascara from them before. So you get the mascara, you get an eyeliner, you get the palette, and you get the bag. So I figured it was worth it. So it was 30, it came up to 30 and maybe a little less than 30 American dollars. So I did that. So I wanted it, I got it. So again, I believe it's called discountbeauty.com in Australia. And hold it upside down. So I finally got the palette I wanted. And again, unopened. I was visiting an HEB. I think it was the last day of my son's school. And they didn't have this on my HEB. I just had to get it. It's a little lollipop, and inside you have 3 metallic glosses. I don't even think they have these metallic. These are not. These aren't the soft mattes either. These are like just pure lip glosses. I've never. And I saw that it had a purple, a red. You know, the pink I'm not really crazy about, but I did like this purple and red, and it was $12. And the next day, Ulta and NYX put them on sale for half price, but you have to pay shipping. I haven't been to Ulta. The traffic has been crazy. I don't know if they carry it in Ulta or it was an online only thing. So I don't know if I could have went to Ulta and got it for the $6. I don't know. I have been trying not to go to the stores too much in this crazy traffic we've had. I know how to get around it, but then once you get into the parking lots, it's hard to find parking, and you have the long lines. And with me getting over surgery, which I'm still not completely healed, Seymour is closing up. It looks like it's weird. I wasn't able to take a picture. My husband keeps saying he's going to take a picture. He doesn't, but from what I can tell, it looks like the old ladies without teeth. How their mouth like does this, and that's what it looks like right now. So it is closing. But, with my daughter, me taking on all of my daughter's chores, and my daughter's recovering and I'm recovering, I was not up for that, standing on lines and stuff like that. So I was at HEB and I just picked it up. It was really cute. It was like one of the last ones they had left too, so I felt like it was just waiting for me. So yeah, isn't this cute? It's a little lollipop, and it's just not soft matte as far as I can tell. It's just lip gloss. It's metallic and it's got purple and red, my favorite lip colors, so I grabbed that. So yeah, just wanted to show you that if you put in I think $35 order or $25 order with NYX, of course you'll get the free shipping. I didn't want to do that because I still owe so much money. I still have not put in a Wet n Wild order. Right now they keep adding new stuff every day, which drives me nuts. I was thinking about just putting in $25 orders at a time, but I did the Avon order for $40, and again I just got the stuff that you buy for domestic violence and for cancer, where they donate money, and so I'm really trying not to put in any more orders until my PayPal turns over to, it's not going to be all on one bill type of thing. So we'll see. I know today sugar pill stuff comes out. So anyway, so yeah, lot of after Christmas sales right now. But again, I got so much stuff for Black Friday. I'm really trying to, chill out with that. So Wet n Wild, a lot, LA Girl, LA Color, Wet n Wild has their after Christmas sale. There was one thing. I knew there was one more thing. Black Radiance finally put out their 2019 stuff, and it was only like 4 things. And they had a sale. It was free shipping, and it was 30% off. So or might have been more, might have been 50% off. and they didn't do that crap where you can't buy the new stuff. But the only thing I wanted from them was a highlighting palette that they made. So that's the only thing I ordered from them. So the thing you have to weigh out is it'll be half price, but with the shipping it goes up to full price. So that's what would have happened if I had ordered this on Ulta or NYX. So it was just worth it for me just to pick. It was, in my hand. It was right there at HEB. Not at mine, but at another one. I was picking up some stuff on the last day of school. So, so Black Ratings came out with their new stuff. They had a sale. I really, really, really want to get some stuff from Physicians Formula, but again, I'm waiting till January because they're pricey. And I think what I'm going to do with what I want is just get it in increments of 25 so I can get the free shipping. And I'm not doing it all at once. So yeah, but I still haven't done that yet. So yeah, Sugar Pill's new shadows and new lip products also were released today. So anyway, so that's just what's going on here. Stephanie's finally getting back into the swing of things, which relieves a lot of exhaustion and stress on me. And no. So anyway, that is what's happening. Check out your favorite places because their 2019's out already, just like I knew at the end of December. Not in stores yet, but there are some after Christmas sales, so you might want to take advantage of that. So anyway, love you. Mwah. Happy New Year. Mwah.